Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to connect Okta SSO. To set up Okta SSO, click on your avatar at the top right, choose Settings, and then Security. Toggle on Single Sign-On and select Okta. Now, let's head to Okta to continue the process. After you have logged into your account, head to Applications on the left, choose Create App Integration, select the OIDC, OpenID Connect sign-in method, and then Web Application. Here you can name the integration Connecteam. Now take the redirect URL from Connecteam and paste it into the sign-in redirect URLs. In the Assignments section, select Skip Group Assignment for now. Now you have successfully created the integration with Connecteam, and you will be redirected to the integration page. To finish setting up the SSO, copy the client ID and client secret from Okta into Connecteam. In the Assignments tab, check that the right people are assigned and that they have the same email listed in Okta and Connecteam. Users will not be able to log into Connecteam if their email credentials are different in Okta and Connecteam. In the Okta API Scopes tab, grant access to okta.authenticators.read and okta.users.read.self by clicking Grant on both. You can search for them quickly using Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. Finally, copy the domain from Okta to Connecteam, and you're good to go. Your SSO setup is now complete, and you can use it to log into your Connecteam account. Thanks for watching.